Hi, I'm Arwa Amjerawala, founder of Illuminate Networks. And today we'll discuss what and how to do when you attend a business networking event. हमारी last video में we discussed what business networking really means and how, if done correctly, it can provide huge benefits. Now that we are clear on that front, hopefully, I will share a few tips on what to do when you do decide to network. There are many kind of networking events. बहुत सारे अलग-अलग तरह के networking events होते हैं. Some are casual and laid back. Some are strictly structured and professional. आप ऐसा event select करें जो आपको suit करता है and then work around it. Whatever the event type, the ultimate goal is to introduce yourself to people you don't know. The best way to do this is to set a goal of simply getting to know people who you might be able to follow up with later, rather than feeling the need to get immediate and tangible results while you are there. आपका जो गोल है वो पहले इवेंट में ये नहीं होना चाहिए कि मुझे कोई डील क्रैक करना है या बिजनेस कर ही लेना है. It should be just to get to know people. Many people feel nervous doing networking as they think that everyone else is somehow better than them. Better at business, better at networking, better at handling these types of things. But what we forget is that almost everyone is in the same boat as us. Everyone has jitters and nervousness, some more so than others. So just remember a few simple techniques and you will do all right. At almost all networking events, जो पहला session होता है, वो होता है introductions round. Everyone is allotted a speaker slot of approximately 40 to 60 seconds, जहां पर आप अपने आप को introduce करते हैं. आप और आप क्या करते हैं? You have to introduce yourself in short. This is where others will decide whether they want a detailed introduction with you or a one-on-one with you. So you have to absolutely nail this round. Be prepared. Come up with a truly memorable introduction, which makes you stand apart from others. Remember this. एक बात हमेशा याद रखना. Everyone at this event is either rehearsing their own speech or those who are done with their introduction rounds is deciding who they want a one-on-one with. So you need to do something that grabs their attention and pikes their interest. आपके अंदर उनका interest जगाना है आपको, and it makes them hungry to make your acquaintance. A few points to follow are use an opening question. अपने introduction में पहला ही आप question से open कीजिए, but the question should be closed and answered in a yes or no, and most preferably a yes. Something like, would you like a steady stream of referrals for your business using business networking? ऐसा कोई question आप पूछ सकते हैं जिससे जो crowd है उसका attention immediately आपकी तरफ आ जाए. Once you have gained their attention, introduce yourself and what you do, then how you do it, and then a call to action. Something like to know more, ask for a one-on-one and I'll get in detail. Then sit down, बैठ जाइए बस. That is enough. आपको बहुत long नहीं जाना है. Always remember to stick to your allotted time and don't overrun it. Now, let's get a scoop on the one-on-ones or group conversations that follow the introduction rounds. Making a good first impression. सबसे पहला आपका जो गोल होता है वो है सामने वाले पर जो फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन है वो बहुत अच्छा होना चाहिए. For that, pay attention to body language, both theirs and yours. The first and foremost thing is to smile. Who wants to talk to the miserable looking frowning person who looks like he would be rather anywhere else than here? So always look approachable. आपको लोग approach करे सामने से, ऐसे आपका body language होना चाहिए. Look like you are happy to be there and excited to make their acquaintance. Look confident. Walk with confidence. People are naturally attracted to confident people. Your pose should be straight and tall. Always remember to make eye contact as you approach people. A smile, confidence, and eye contact is definitely a winning combination. Now, once you have approached a person or a group, आपको सामने वाले को greet करना पड़ता है and introduce yourself once again. How you greet someone depends a lot on factors such as country, culture, gender, etc. You see, foreign countries में people directly go for a handshake or a hug or an air kiss or whatever the norm over there. In India, it is more laid back. We have to, you can go for a hello or a namaste should be your approach. After taking all these factors into consideration, people read a lot into the way you greet them. Now, after greeting comes the conversation. You cannot just stand there silently after greeting someone. It looks awkward. Although there are no magic words or phrases that will build instant rapport, there are a few openers you can use to start a conversation. When using an opener, keep in mind that it should be such कि वो सामने वाले को बात करने पर उकसाए. You need to make the other person start talking. And hi for an hi, it will not suffice. Begin with an open-ended question. It is good. Something like, hi, I'm Arva. And you are? Or hi, I'm Arva. Have you been to this event before? When you are at a loss of words, the British technique of discussing the weather comes in handy. It is an icebreaker. It helps you to overcome social inhibitions and talk to one another. You can also use such other common topics for initiating a conversation and making the other person warm up to you. Like commenting on the food. अगर वहाँ पर food serve हो रहा है तो वो common topic है, आप उससे बात शुरू कर सकते हैं. या अगर कुछ drinks है वहाँ पर तो उस पर बात उसे use करके आप बात initiate कर सकते हैं. When you're talking to the person, give them your undivided attention. Don't appear distracted. Checking your mobile frequently is very, very rude. Be genuinely interested in what they have to say. हमेशा याद रखिए, everyone has a story. When you ask questions and encourage someone to talk, you are building relations. You can even compliment them. But remember, आपका compliment real और genuine होना चाहिए. Now that you have greeted, introduced, and asked questions, it may be your turn to answer them. And the most obvious question your partner may ask is, what do you do? Now, this question may seem very easy to answer, but believe me, it is not. Make sure that you give this question some thought and have a few answers prepared. You are attending a networking event where you want to meet new people and make sure कि आप जिनसे भी मिलते हो वो आपको जाने और आपको याद रखे. They know you and remember who you are and what you do. Now imagine this scenario. You walk up to someone, greet them, introduce yourself and engage in a conversation. अब आप क्या उसे इस तरह से end करना चाहते हैं? The person asks you, so Mr. So and so, what do you do? And you say, well, I'm an accountant. See, I know accountants. You know accountants. We all know many accountants. I also know what accountants do. If that is all you give me, I'm surely going to lump you up with all the other accountants I know. So add a bit more flair and color to ensure you stand apart from everybody who does the same. Now, how about we help big and small businesses sort out their bookkeeping mess by managing their accounts. Mention how you do instead of just what you do. आप क्या करते हैं उसके साथ साथ ये भी मेंशन कीजिए आप कैसे करते हैं. Now, these are some initial tips you can use as a beginner. Let me know in the comments how you feel about it. Also, I will be sharing more such contents to provide value and help you in your professional growth. So like, comment, subscribe, and share in your business circles. In the next video, we'll see how fortune lies in the follow-up and how to meet people you didn't meet. Stay tuned for next time. Thank you.